USDA recently gave animal and livestock vaccine company Zoetis conditional approval for its bird flu vaccine. State veterinarian Dr. Beth Carlson says there are pros and cons, as many United States trading partners won't accept products from countries that use an avian flu vaccine. Carlson says all sides will meet to determine whether to implement the vaccine.
Most of the products that are used for trade or are part of that trade market are strictly meat products, and chicken meat in particular, and so that might, maybe we'll just use the vaccine in the egg sector or maybe in the egg and turkey sector.
Carlson says with only conditional approval, there are still a number of steps to accomplish, and that could take a year or two before the vaccine is released in large quantities.